Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for watching, first of all. I appreciate you coming to just, watch and hear what I have to say. But today, I just simply show you my workout on a treadmill. It was a good workout. It took a lot of heart, a lot of grit, a lot of determination to, first of all, get on the treadmill and do that. So I just wanted to show you, when I do work out, what it looks like, because I haven't really done that. But yeah, I'm going to get this weight off one day at a time, one step at a time. And I've gotten a new app, that I'm going to be incorporating into my workout, which is like it gives you the option of a full body workout. So I'm excited to try that later on and show that to you. But today I just wanted you to see what it looks like, what my workout routine looks like. But anyway, enjoy. So this is where I'm at so far. As you can see, it's 53 minutes and about 3.36 miles, and I think I've burned about 3 something calories. Yes, 340 calories. And yes, this is what it takes to get it done. This is me continuing. I had to stop and put on the video to show you what I'm actually doing. But I've been on the treadmill already 50 minutes. Yeah, that's what it takes. Woo. Woo. Not easy. If you're motivated and dedicated, this is what it takes to lose 50 pounds. I need to speak to you. I need to talk to you face to face. So you can see it's not easy. It's hard work. It takes grit. It takes dedication. It takes everything you've got to get to the next level. And it takes hard work. Nobody's gonna give it to you. If you want something, go get it. Like all the best motivational speakers say, if you want something, go get it, period. Nothing is gonna be handed to you. If you want it, go get it. I have to say that again. So yes, this is me doing right now. Okay, so it is 53:82, about 52 minutes. Yes, I almost didn't get on a treadmill today. I almost didn't, because I used my fasting as an excuse to not get on a treadmill. I almost didn't, but this time I had to just make myself get on the treadmill, because I know that this weight that I have on me is not going anywhere until I get my butt on a treadmill and move. So if you want something, go get it. Go get it, period.